Because I welcome you to today's tutorials, and today we want to discuss on how to build a free website. Permit me to use this particular site for today's tutorials, which is site 123.com. When you go to your browser, you type in site123.com. It gives you this kind of the page. It is the page. So what you do next is you click on this. There are two ways of creating a website, either by code or already made you know templates. Okay, you have three steps: one, two, three. It's now left for you to choose whatever you want in creating your website. The first step is this: you choose any of these options. Now let's choose blog. We want to blog. Now after choosing it, the second option is to choose the name of your blog. What name do you want? Okay, let's just assume job me. That's just the name I want, job me. Then that's the name of the blog I want. Okay, then I go to the next one. Okay, you see. Okay, so this is what you will get, the message you will get: congratulations on your new website. So it's now left for you to start building your website. You click start new website. So as you can see, this is the platform for you to design your website without coding. Everything has been done. Okay, this is a desktop format for your website. This is the tablet format. Here is the mobile format. Everything has been done and then put in place. Okay, so what next do? You start uh, designing your web page. So you go to this home, you click on it. Now the background, under the home you have text, background, button, template. So you choose the text. We don't want to use this travel with us, so you can change it news update or job update. Job update. Okay, so you go to the second title, you choose making life easy. Making life easy for employment. Okay, are you seeing? As we are working on it, it's showing here. So that is that. So the next one is the position of this and the layout. What kind of layout do you want? Okay, anything you click on reflects on this other preview. Okay, so let's choose this. Are you seeing it? It reflects on it. Okay, so that is for text. Let's go back and check for background. What background do you want? You can customize your background. You can click on choose image and upload any image you want. Okay, or you can come here and make your selection. Okay, let's choose this. So we've chosen it. because we're talking about what is related to job. Okay, so our background needs to depict what we are searching for. Okay, now let's choose this. Okay, so as we've chosen it, is going to reflect on this. Okay, so it has reflected on it. Then you go back, your button. What kind of button do you want? Do you want buttons? Do you want if made? Do you want forms? And anything you can select. Let's choose buttons. Okay, so this button, are you seeing it start here? That is the first button is reflecting here, start here. Or you can edit it and then type new jobs. Okay, so it's reflecting here, new jobs. So if you want to select another button, you can also do the same. Okay, that is that. You go back, you choose your template. If you still want, you can make use of any template. Let's choose this template. Okay, have you seen? Choosing this template means that we are going to start afresh. Okay, to edit certain things. Okay, so when you click on this, it takes you back, so you can also edit. You can also edit it to whatever you want. The same thing goes to the second one. Whatever information you want to impute, you click on it, then you come here, you edit it. Okay, so that is that. Let's go back. We're done with this. Now let's go to the next one, which is page. Your page. Under your page, you have home, you have blog, you have contact us. So you can edit your home. Click on it, you have various options. So if you click on it on the home, you use it to edit your home page. You can also edit, click on the blog, you use it, and then also edit whatever you want on the blog. Okay, if you want to delete some of these things, you just go to the manage and you delete. Are you sure? Yes. So that's how you delete. You can come here, select all this, and you see delete selected items. Yes, just click on it. Yes, so they are all deleted. Then you can now add your new post. Whatever you want to post on the as the title, you click here and type whatever document or information you want to write. You indicate it here, after which you click save. Okay, or you click save and close. So when you click save and close, is indicating certain fields are required, so we need to fill in certain things. Okay, for instance, let's say new job in Nigeria. Okay, we come here, we say submit your CV and application application to, just like that, whatever information. So you just save and close. Okay, update successful is indicated. Okay, so now your information is already in the blog. Okay, so that is how you go about, blog. So what you do is you go back, or you close it. So we're done with the blog. You go to contact us. You see the effect of what we've done. New job in Nigeria. So when you click on it, it shows you read more. It shows you what you've done. So it shows you what you've done. Okay, so that is that on the blog. So let's come to contact us. We want to edit the contact us. So after clicking on it, you wait for it to load. So while it is loading, okay, then it's now left for you. Your phone, you indicate it, your phone number, your WhatsApp, your Telegram, you indicate it. Okay, any information, you indicate your valid phone number here. You indicate your email and email receiver. So whatever you do here will reflect, and you click save and close. For instance, let's use this phone. Okay, phone number, let's use my own phone number, +2348065. So okay, let's use this one as the email, Daniel Omeyin @gmail.com. Okay, the receiver, the same thing, Daniel Omeyin @gmail.com. Okay, so company stroke Brad stroke, okay, we can write the name of the company, Job Me. Okay, just like that. Okay, so other details, you indicate it, and when you are done, you click on save and close. Okay, it will reflect on your web page. Okay, so how do you know it is reflected? You see my contact is here. So I can still edit this other one here, but that will be later. It's just a way of showing you how to, so you can also indicate your Facebook or Twitter when you click on it. Okay, it's so you can input your link URL. So whatever link or URL you input, you click on save. Okay, so the implication is when people click on it, it takes you to your Facebook address or the Twitter address handle. You can also delete this if you want. Okay, so then you come to, if you want to add any page, you click on this. Maybe you can add a page for about us. You can click it. You can select this one, about Okay, okay, so the about page is out. So while you are doing it, you check on this, you see them, this is the home, this is the blog, this is the contact, this is the about. So anything you want to do, you can still edit the header, edit the structure, you can also edit your logo. Even this about us, you can edit this. You just click on the about, and click on this, you press delete, you delete all the information here, and you can now include your own information. This is a job site, finish. Then just an example, you can add image to this if you want to select image. You can also remove the previous image. You click on this, it goes off. So you save, update successful. Okay, what happens? This is it. So this is how it will look like. Okay, so the same thing goes for the design. How do you want your page to look like? You choose any of the design here. As you are choosing it, it keeps reflecting on this preview. The same thing goes to the settings. You select any of this if there is need for it. Then you come to this point. This is the domain. If you want to check for a real domain name for your site, okay, this is just for this particular site you are building. Okay, when you want to have access to it, you can still use it, but it doesn't look professional. For you to make your site to be professional, you can select any of these domain suggestions that are available, and when you click on it, you check the requirements, and your web page gets hosted. So that is just it on how to build your website. And I want you to understand that you still have to understand how to manage your site. So it is important for you to bear in mind that at every stage of your design, you click the publish, you go to publish. The essence of the publish is for you to see how it will now look like in the real sense. Okay, let's click on publish. Are you sure you want to publish? Yes. Thank you for watching. I remain Daniel Ogbenyi, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorials on how to build a web site, okay, without coding. That is just the essence of these tutorials.